Hi everyone, I'm Sachin from Innowayt. As you know, we have started onboarding travel agents and we are getting frequent queries about its features. So here in this video, we will talk about features for travel agents. So let's start opening the website innowayt.com. So here we are at innowayt.com. We'll click on login. Since I have saved my user ID and password, I'll directly land on the home page of travel agent. So here you can see there are a lot of panels on the left hand side, and right hand side there are images for packages. So basically these are the packages for what we can sell directly. These are ready to sell packages. So whatever the package you'd like to book, you just select the package, view the details, costing. This is the costing part, with the multiple category of hotels. Then day-wise itinerary, you can view the itinerary from here. Then inclusion, exclusion, cancellation policy, everything is minimized. You can maximize and view it. So this is one part. If you want to go ahead to create the quotation and send it to your customer, click on book. Then once you click, okay, I have to select the costing, then I can click on book. So once you click on book, you have to fill your customer record here, like customer email ID and contact number. So basically, you would have to save the customer details first before sending a quotation. So from this particular section, customer management, you can create a customer record for that particular customer you want to send the quotation. Okay, so in case if I want to send a quotation for a customer called Sachin, I'll create his record first before sending the quotation. Travel passport validity. So say I created a customer record here. Now, for this particular customer called Sachin, I want to send a quotation for a Ukraine package. So let's say here's a Ukraine package. You can search the package by its name from the search bar as well. So I have selected the costing for double, and if I want to view it, I can view. Here I can enter the customer name and or search it by his number, such in adults. So after entering these all things, I can generate a quotation. All right, so let's get back to home page again. The next part is create your own itinerary. This is ready to sell FIT packages where you will get everything included, like meals, transportation, hotel accommodation, everything, activity, everything would be included in these packages. If you want to make a tailored package where you would buy individual services like hotels and all, here you can do this. So let's say I want to make a package for Thailand, double occupancy. Okay, so here is the country of customer. So let's say customer is from India and want to travel during the state. Okay, so let's say select the country, Thailand, day one, and city, Pattaya, let's say. Okay, let's select the DMC or supply. So these are the DMCs available for Thailand. So let's say this is the DMC Thailand DMC hotel. So this is the hotel. So there may be a list of hotels. So this is what you'll get once we'll upload more data of DMCs from Thailand. So this is one we are selecting, for example. So these are the details here. You can select the costing and everything, and then you can create the itinerary for day two, or you don't have to mention everything again. You can just select same if the stay is in the same city and the same country, then you can save it as a draft. Then you can go to the quotation management and quote to your customer. This is one part. Next is panel dashboard. Dashboard shows you the status of transactions like booking requested, booking confirmed, booking on hold, and the cancel. It also shows the grid-wise view where you can see the booking and their details. So let's say clicking on this booking, Australia for you is the package, occupancy. Okay, then count of adults, child, everything is available there. Itinerary, what was selected, costing, what was selected. So from here you can cancel the booking as well. So the next is saved itineraries. So these are the saved itineraries. What we will save through the tailored made packages. You can view it, edit it. The next is customer management. In customer management, as I told you earlier, here you can create your customer record, you can do follow-ups, you can edit it, you can do a lot of things with customer management. It works as a basic CRM. Then quotation management, whatever you would like to quote to your customer, you can quote from this particular. Now, say if I want to view this particular package, so here I can view this package, all details, costing, everything, and from this particular section only we can proceed with the booking as well. If you want to generate a quotation, you can generate the quotation from this particular. So this is the quotation, tour name Indonesia, customer. This is what you can send to your customer basically. Here you can save it as a draft, it will be saved as a PDF. Send email, you can send direct email to your customer. The next is invoice. From this section, you can create the invoice for your customer. If you want to add an invoice, you have to select the transaction for which you want to create an invoice, then proceed with creating the invoice number, reference, account number. Once you enter all this and generate invoice, and it will be generated in PDF format. The next is own supply management. At Innowayt, it is not mandatory to work with only Innowayt suppliers for every destination. So if you have your own suppliers for a particular destination, you can deal with your own suppliers. You can create your suppliers and they're entering their details, and after filling all this thing, you can create your own supplier. Since there are some suppliers I have created. So this particular supplier is incoming. I have created this supplier for our personal use. So this supplier would be visible to me only. Next is user management. So user management is to create your own user. Basically, your associate, your employees can access the same login as a travel agent. Hey guys, I'm Sachin from Innowayt.com. Today I'm here to tell you how to get login and what all the features for DMCs. So let's start with login. I'll open www.innowayt.com. I'll select here from dropdown and which will redirect me to beta.innowayt.com. Here I'll click on login since I have already saved my user ID and password and directly take me to the DMC homepage. So the first thing what I can see on the home page as a feature is dashboard. So dashboard shows the status of the transactions like booking request. It'll show you the number of booking requested, booking confirmed, the number of booking confirmed by you, then booking on hold. This is the first status when you receive a transaction from travel agent. Then the cancel would be the change status of booking. Then this part of the page, overview of sales process, it'll show you the numbers with the transaction amount. Now coming down to the booking management. Booking management shows you the booking you received from travel agents. So let's say, hello Kazakhstan, this is the tour. What I have received, this is the lead guest name, number of adults traveling, departure date and time, then arrival date and time, and I have changed the status to confirm. So if you want to view the booking, click on this symbol. Here you can see the booking details, everything what you want to know about this booking, the hotel, number of days, number of night, all the services you are going to provide in this booking. Every detail would be available here. So since I have confirmed this booking, I cannot change the status anymore. If it would be on hold status, then I may change the status. Coming down to the service management. Service management is made for tailored packages where the one can buy individual services like hotels, activities, meals, and transportation. As you can see here, I have created a lot of transportation like airport transfers, city transfers, sightseeing, everything. Meals. Here I can create the meals, so I may be contracted with many of restaurant, to provide meals to my guests, so I can create the meal services so that the travel agent can directly select and buy the meal separately. Activities, here I can create the activities, anything what can be a part of holiday package. Then hotels. So what all hotels I'm dealing with, I can create here. So these hotels would be visible to travel agents while creating a tailored packages. So they can buy the individual hotels as well. Now coming down to holiday package management. So here I have created a lot of packages, though the status is inactive. Until I won't click on here to activate them, the package status would be inactive. So let's say if I want to create a package, I'll create a package for 2 nights in Pattaya. Number of days 3, number of nights 2, description. I'll keep 3 days and 2 nights at Pattaya. I'll keep 3-star hotel rating. validity of booking. So let's say I'm creating a package for this season. So I'll keep the validity till October 30th, and I'll keep the same booking validity maybe 2 days prior, since this is a 2 nights 3 days package. So it will be bookable till 29th of October. So day one, I'll select the country Thailand, city Pattaya. Say I'll keep the itinerary. Day one will be automatically selected. That's it. Here you can copy and paste as well. Then moving on to day two, I have clicked here to create a day. Day two, Thailand country, same Pattaya city, excursion. Say I'll type anything like excursion. Keeping it short, you can paste the entire itinerary here. Day three, same Thailand city, Bangkok for departure. Transfer from Pattaya to Bangkok airport. That's it. Your itinerary has been created. Uh, Here I can keep the markup. Say if I'm operating with many markets like Indian market, Sri Lankan market, Australian market, New Zealand market, US, UK, and European market. Accordingly, I can create the country-wise markup for a particular package. Let's say I select Sri Lanka. So whenever this package would be booked by Sri Lankan travel agent, I'll take 2% of markup. The next market, I'll click on plus and I'll select the next market, which is Australian market. I'll select the markup percentage 2.5%. The next market I can select anything you want, say Germany, percentage 3. So that's how we can create country-wise markup. The next option is blackout date. If you say there is a blackout date, you can select any blackout days. If there are 3, 4, 10 day blackout date, then you can individually select as many blackout days as you want. So next option is holiday package room details. This is the costing part. So let's say my currency is Thai baht I would like to operate with. So I'm creating a package for single adult. I kept 500 Thai baht for child, 200 Thai baht without VAT, 100 Thai baht room plus standard, and inclusions anything. I'll keep it NA now. NA cancellation policy NA.